Hi there! Today we'll be making pork chops. For this, first let's make a marinade. In a bowl, add chili powder, garam masala, turmeric, pepper powder, coriander, vinegar, oil, salt, and thick yogurt. Mix all this together and soak the pork chops completely in it. Now chill this marinated pork chops overnight for best results. But if you're in a hurry, you can also just marinate it for about 30 minutes. Set a drizzle or a pan on high heat, add some oil, and then place these marinated pork chops on it. Sear them evenly on both sides. Now take these pork chops, place them on a baking sheet, and put them in a preheated oven and bake them for 20 minutes on 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Sprinkle a handful of raw onions and broil it for 10 minutes on high heat. Now let the pork chops rest before they are served for 15 minutes so they are juicier and tender. Enjoy!